This module covers one of the most crucial problems that occurs in an examination, and that's potential cheating and misconduct. Now, cheating or academic misconduct is considered any action that is in conflict with the exam regulations and that leads to a more favourable result for that student. Now, Griffith University takes academic misconduct very seriously and it is strictly not tolerated. Now, assistants should advise the chief as soon as they believe any cheating or misconduct is taking place. The chief must collect any tangible evidence of cheating. They must clearly mark on the student's answer booklet to indicate where the student was up to before the unauthorised materials were confiscated. And they must always allow the student to continue the exam, but they must advise them that the course convener will be in contact with them to notify them of any disciplinary action that might be required. Please complete the LILAC incident report form and bundle this together with any confiscated material, as well as the student's examination booklet. Cheating can come in many different shapes and forms, and with new methods being discovered each semester. However, listed here are some of the common techniques that we detect. Unauthorised notes being brought into an exam venue, notes and dictionaries and additional pages being added to a dictionary, adjacent students exchanging information, attempts for students to read other students' answers, disguising mobile phones and using these in the bathroom, a diversion in another part of the venue, or the substitution of one student for another. And finally, notes in toilet cubicles always are used each semester as well. Okay, now let's look at a few images of some of these cheating methods. Notes and dictionaries or additional pages being added is shown here. Here we go, notes being written on the hand, arms or legs of a student. Here you can see notes concealed on the body. So this example is notes taped to the body or clothing. Now this picture shows notes taped to the inside hem of a female student's skirt. Here we've got permitted materials used to disguise cheat notes. We've got concealed notes in tiny print hidden on the student. Now sadly, there is an abundance of websites and YouTube clips dedicated to teaching students how to cheat. Now students cheat if there is a low risk of being caught, so knowing what to look out for in an exam venue and increasing the perceived risk of cheating will certainly help deter the majority of potential cheats. Being realistic though, there is always going to be somebody who tries to cheat in an exam. However, how they cheat is only limited to their imagination, and this is why we must try to keep up to date with the new tools used. We certainly can eliminate the majority of cheating by making it harder to get away with. Now, examples of these online resources are included in the content below for you to take a look at. Now that you know how inventive some students can be to gain an unfair advantage in an exam situation, let's test your newly acquired skills. Included in the content below is a short reenactment video clip of an exam taking place. Now watch closely to see if you can spot who the cheaters are and what they are doing. Now this concludes Module 6, which is the last module of this Griffith University Invigilator training for assistant invigilators. Now well done to you all. Assistant invigilators should now complete the examination knowledge test, which can be accessed from the menu on the left-hand side. There are 2 separate knowledge tests, one for the chief invigilators and one for the assistant invigilators. Now only invigilators who complete this test and achieve a score of 90% or greater will be rostered for invigilation shifts. Now, Chief Invigilators, please now continue to complete the last 2 modules.